Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.10, Problem 13. This is Section 4.10, Problem 13. It says 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. An oak tree is 25 inches in diameter. What is its diameter in centimeters? So really what I want to do is convert that 25 inches into the equivalent number of centimeters. So you want to begin with the given quantity, which for us in this problem is 25 inches. And I want to multiply that times a fraction that will have the equivalent amount numerator and denominator, but I'm going to want the inches to be in the denominator, so it'll cancel, and I want centimeters to be in the numerator because that's the unit of measure that I want to show up. So to make it equivalent, 1 inch is the same as 2.54 centimeters. Now you have the same amount numerator and denominator, so it's essentially a 1. I'm multiplying 25 inches times 1, so I'm not really changing the diameter of the oak tree, I'm just changing the units of measure. Inches in the numerator, inches in the denominator will cancel. And to finish the math, what I have is 25 from here times 2.54. And my units of measure will be centimeters. I abbreviated it instead of writing the whole thing out. CM is the standard abbreviation. And if you do that math, you're probably going to want to use your calculator for that. I don't think you'd be able to do it in your head too easily. You could do it by hand. It'd be tedious. However you do it, it would come out to 63.5, and your units of measure will be centimeters. So if it's 25 inches across an oak tree, that's the same as 63.5 centimeters.